So the round of 16 is officially out, and here are my match predictions. Who is going to go to the final and who is going to win the Champions League? At first is Chelsea versus PSG. It's a tough game. PSG have not been in good form this season, but I don't think Chelsea can beat PSG. So PSG is going to progress to the quarterfinals. Liverpool versus Galatasaray. Yeah, Liverpool is going to walk through alone. Real Madrid versus Manchester City. It's a tough game and a boring one due to tumeangalia sana, but I'm confident Manchester City is going to win this game. So it's going to progress to quarterfinals. Bayern versus Atalanta. Yeah, easy. Bayern is going to walk. Next is Barcelona versus Newcastle. Not an easy game. Newcastle wamekuwa form in Champions League, but hey, Barcelona has more experience. I don't expect Barcelona wanaweza lemewa na Newcastle. Atletico Madrid versus Tottenham Hotspur. Tough game, but Simeone is going to go to quarterfinal. Bodo Glimt versus Sporting Lisbon. Tough game, but Bodo Glimt amepiga Man City, amepiga Atletico Madrid, amepiga Inter Milan. So who is Sporting Lisbon? Arsenal versus Bayer Leverkusen. I don't like Arsenal, but mazee naona tu Arsenal wakitoboa hapa to quarterfinals. So Arsenal to go. Then PSG versus Liverpool. This is going to be really tough. Yeah, PSG are more dominant than Liverpool. Man City versus Bayern Munich. Hii game kama kuna game ngumu, it can go either side. But nikifunga tu macho, naweza sema tu Bayern inaweza tuboa. Barcelona versus Atletico Madrid. Yeah. Atletico Madrid waliwapiga kwa Copa del Rey, but I don't think they will manage to beat Barcelona again in the Champions League. So Barcelona to go to semi-finals. Then Bodo Glimt versus Arsenal. Guys, si eti nachukia Arsenal. Si eti nachukia Arsenal. But I'm thinking that this game might go to penalties. Na ikienda penalties, Bodo Glimt wanaweza toa. I don't think Raya is a good penalty merchant. So I'm going to go with Bodo Glimt. No, please Arsenal, don't hate me now. Usiondoke, please. Usiondoke. Yeah? But I think there's something telling me that Bodo Glimt is going to maybe knock out Arsenal this season, because Bodo Glimt wamefanya kazi ngumu sana. Na hii game ya sasa si mambo na nani yuko number 1. No, hii ukigongo unatokea mchezo. So Bodo Glimt to semi-finals. So in semi-finals, PSG versus Bayern Munich. I think Bayern Munich have been more dominant, so Bayern Munich is going to the finals. Then Barcelona versus Bodo Glimt. I think Barcelona might have a chance here. So to our finals, Bayern Munich versus Barcelona. It's a tough game. Bayern Munich have been more dominant, so they are going to win the Champions League.